Hello friends, I'm Adam Dodson and welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. Today on our show we're going to be making Chantilly cream with fresh vanilla beans. So stay tuned. For over 145 years, the heart of my family's farmhouse has been the kitchen. It's where stories, food, and traditions have been passed down through generations. Join me as we create new memories, one dish at a time. Welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Chantilly cream, and it's a little bit different than whipped cream. It's a little bit more denser, and it holds up a little bit better than whipped cream for longer periods. If you're going to be using it, you can make it a day or so in advance if you like. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. And then I have here 2 pounds of confectioner's sugar. All right, and now I'd like to show everyone a little bit about vanilla beans. And you probably have seen them before, maybe on television, but this is a fresh vanilla bean pod. And these ones here come from Madagascar. And this is what vanilla is made out of. And I'm going to show you how to take the vanilla seeds out, and we're going to add it into our Chantilly cream. And they're very simple to split open. So what we're going to do first is you're going to take the pod, and these smell delicious. They just smell like fresh vanilla. You're going to take a sharp paring knife, and you're going to take it, start at the end, and you're going to go right down the center, not cutting all the way through the vanilla bean. Just like so. So we have it cut right down the center. And we'll just make sure that that did go all the way. And then what you're going to do is going to take the back of your knife, and you're going to start right here at the end. You're going to kind of open it up just a little bit, like so. You got to make sure you get cut all the way down through. I don't think you got it cut all the way. So, and then you're going to take the back of your knife, and what you're going to do is you're going to scrape all of those vanilla seeds right out of the middle. And something you can do with these vanilla bean pods, if you take these, you can make your own vanilla if you want, if you add them to alcohol and let them set for quite a while. Or you can take a canister of sugar and put these vanilla bean pods down in the sugar and let them set for a good while, and you'll have vanilla flavored sugar. And that's one way to use these without having to throw them away. If you're making a pudding or something, once you scrape the inside, you could just throw it in the pot and cook it with the pudding or whatever you're cooking, and then just remove it afterwards so you get double the flavor. So now we're going to be back in just a moment, and we're going to get this Chantilly cream whipped up. All right, well, welcome back, and now we're going to get our Chantilly cream mixed up. So we have our 1 quart of heavy whipping cream, 2 pounds of powdered or confectioner sugar, and we scraped out the seeds and the inside of a vanilla bean pod. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up, and once it comes to stiff peaks, I'll show you here in a minute just the right consistency of what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. All right, well, the Chantilly cream is all done now, so let's take a look. It looks delicious, and we're going to try it here in just a minute, just to make sure it passes the test. So you can see there, it's set up, and this will set up more when you put it in the refrigerator. It's good to make it and let it set up, and you can pipe it. If you want to pipe it onto a dessert as well, you can do that. So I'm going to take a look at this and make sure it looks good. Everything's mixed up well. And you can see the vanilla pods in there as well. And you can see the consistency of the Chantilly. Just like that. So let's taste it and see how it is. That's delicious. It's a little much sweeter than whipped cream. And this is really good. You can use this as a dip as well if you have fresh fruit. and put out and then dip your fruit in it. It really works out well. So you can see there just how easy it is now to make your own homemade fresh Chantilly cream.